Let's talk about the fun part, driving. Forget the old stereotype of slow, boring eco cars. EVs are quick, really quick. Electric motors deliver instant torque, so acceleration is immediate and thrilling. Even family EVs can surprise you off the line. No gear changes, no engine noise. Just smooth, silent power. The heavy battery sits low in the car, giving it a low center of gravity and great handling. EVs feel planted and confident, especially in corners. One-pedal driving is another game-changer. Lift off the accelerator and the car slows down while recharging the battery. It's efficient and makes city driving a breeze. Regenerative braking extends your range and changes how you drive. High-performance EVs can out-accelerate supercars. The driving experience is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly fun. EVs prove that going green doesn't mean giving up excitement. The future of driving is electrifying, literally. Charging is the biggest adjustment for new EV owners. Home charging is ideal. Plug in overnight, and you're ready to go. But not everyone has a driveway or garage, so public charging is crucial. The network is growing, but we need more chargers in more places. Fast chargers can add over 100 miles in the time it takes for a coffee break. Reliability and access are improving, with new charging hubs and street solutions popping up. Payment is getting easier too. Just tap and go. The infrastructure is catching up, but there's still work to do. The future is convenient, but we're not quite there yet. The battery is the heart of every EV, powerful, expensive, and rapidly improving. Battery costs have dropped, making EVs more affordable each year. Still, batteries are a big chunk of the price, so the race is on for better tech. Solid-state batteries could be a game-changer. More energy, faster charging, lower costs. When they arrive, many current EV limitations will vanish. What about old batteries? They last a long time, and after their car life, they get a second life storing energy for homes or the grid. After that, recycling recovers valuable materials for new batteries. Creating a closed-loop system makes EVs even more sustainable. The industry is focused on making batteries cheaper, better, and greener. Battery innovation is driving the EV revolution. The future is about smarter, more sustainable power. Progress is happening fast, and it's changing everything. The battery is the key to it all. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge, used to be a real concern. Early EVs had limited range, but today's models easily top 250 miles, with many going over 300. Most people drive less than 30 miles a day, so charging once a week is often enough. For long trips, modern EVs plan your route, and charging stops automatically. It's a shift in mindset. Top up when convenient, like charging your phone. As ranges grow and charging networks expand, range anxiety is fading fast. The technology has outpaced the worry. Soon, running out of charge will be a thing of the past. The EV transition needs a push, and governments are stepping up. Incentives like tax breaks and grants have made EVs more affordable. Favorable tax rules for company cars and investments in charging infrastructure are accelerating adoption. New regulations require charging points in new buildings, making EV ownership easier. Clear deadlines like banning new petrol cars by 2035 force the industry to innovate. These policies give confidence to car makers and energy companies alike. It's a coordinated effort to make electric the new normal. Government action is driving the shift. We're at a turning point in automotive history. Electric cars are no longer niche, they're practical, fun, and increasingly affordable. They clean up our air, save us money, and deliver a thrilling drive. Challenges remain: building a robust charging network, improving batteries, and recycling responsibly. But the momentum is unstoppable, and innovation is accelerating. Cars are becoming smarter, integrating with renewable energy and smart homes. The shift to electric is about reimagining what a car can be. The V8 Rumble will always have its place in history, but the future is electric. It's quieter, cleaner, and more exciting than ever. The journey is underway, and there's no turning back. The electric car is here to stay, and the road ahead is bright, smaller. Charging an EV is different, but it's getting easier. Most owners charge at home overnight. Wake up to a full battery, no petrol station stops. Home charging is a game changer, but you need a driveway or garage. For those without, cities are adding street chargers and creative solutions. On long trips, Public charging networks are growing fast. Rapid chargers can add 100 to 200 miles in 20-30 minutes, just enough time for a coffee break. The network isn't perfect yet. Sometimes you'll wait, or find a charger out of order. But it's improving every day. Charging is becoming more convenient, and soon, it'll be as easy as filling up with petrol. The future of fueling is electric. Let's meet 3 EVs leading the charge. First, the Tesla Model 3, sleek, fast, and packed with tech, over 300 miles of range, supercar acceleration, and a futuristic interior. Next, the Volkswagen ID.3, the people's electric car, practical, affordable, and easy to live with. It's a new Golf for the electric age. Then, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, bold design, ultra-fast charging, and cutting-edge tech. These cars show how far EVs have come. Stylish, practical, and fun. The market is exploding with options: city cars, SUVs, even electric vans and trucks. There's an EV for every taste and need. Innovation is everywhere, and the choices keep growing. It's a fantastic time to shop for an electric car. The future is here, and it's electric. Let's see how it's getting even better. The EV revolution is just getting started. Battery tech is advancing fast, cheaper, longer lasting, and more powerful every year. Solid-state batteries are on the horizon. More range, faster charging, and greater safety. Imagine charging your car as quickly as filling a petrol tank. Governments are backing the shift, banning new petrol cars, building charging networks, and offering incentives. Public and private investment is speeding up the transition. Grants and subsidies are making EVs more affordable. Research and development are driving breakthroughs in batteries and manufacturing. The momentum is unstoppable. Electric cars are getting better, faster, and more accessible every day. So, what's next as we go electric? Cities will be quieter, cleaner, and healthier. No more exhaust fumes or engine noise. Home charging will make petrol stations a thing of the past for most. Cars will get smarter, connecting to the grid and even powering your home. This isn't just about new engines, it's a shift to sustainable, renewable energy. New jobs, new industries, and a cleaner economy are on the way. Petrol cars will always have a place in our hearts, but the future is electric. These cars are fast, fun, and getting better every day. We're driving toward a cleaner, more exciting future. And trust me, it's going to be one heck of a ride. Now, let's talk mycelium bio-leather. Bentley's innovative step for the Continental GT EV. Mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms, is grown on agricultural waste, then processed into a material that looks and feels like premium leather. It's animal-free, fast to produce, and uses a fraction of the resources required for traditional leather. The result? A soft, durable, and luxurious material that meets Bentley's exacting standards. For a brand known for craftsmanship, this is a powerful endorsement of sustainable innovation. Mycelium bio-leather fuses nature and technology, redefining what luxury can be. Bentley proves you don't have to sacrifice quality for sustainability. This is the future of high-end interiors. Let's spotlight a small detail with a big impact floor mats made from reclaimed fishing nets, as seen in the Mercedes EQS SUV. Ghost nets are a major ocean pollutant, but Mercedes partners with organizations to recover and repurpose them. The nets are cleaned, shredded, and spun into Econil yarn. Tough, durable, and perfect for premium floor mats. These mats look and feel just like any luxury product, but their story adds a layer of meaning. It's a tangible connection to environmental action. Every step in the car helps clean up the ocean. This initiative is part of Mercedes' broader push for sustainability across every component. Even the smallest details can tell a powerful story of responsibility. It's proof that true luxury is thoughtful, inside and out. That's our look at the most exciting luxury EVs of 2026. From Porsche's performance to Rolls-Royce's serenity and NIO's disruptive tech, the future is electric, smart, and sustainable. Which of these ultra-premium EVs are you most excited about? Is it the power, the tech, or the eco-friendly design? Drop a comment below and let me know your pick. And if you want a deep dive on any model or technology, your feedback shapes this channel, so let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives and first looks. Until next time,